Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing a review and trying out of some makeup products. And the brand that I'm going to be trying out from is from Complex Culture. Now, I've never actually tried anything from this brand before. I don't own any other products from them aside from this. So I don't know much about this brand, but I'm pretty excited to be trying out some products from them. So this is going to be a review and try on of the products that I bought from them. But before we get on to this video, you guys know the drill. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is kind of going to be an unboxing, I guess, too, because I was just thinking about that. I haven't unboxed this stuff yet. So, but I do want to say, I came across these products from watching another fellow YouTuber, Miss Nata Lady Glam. I saw her trying out these products, and when I saw them, I was like, oh yeah, I think I'm going to have to try these products out myself because they looked really good. But, so here's the box that it came in. You know, I placed an order. It's been a while. I know this package was super late because Texas, when they had that really bad cold front, you know, and everything, and Oklahoma as well. The shipping and everything just got really late, so that wasn't their fault, but it did come. I was super happy that it came safe and sound, and the box and packaging looks pretty nice. It looks like they packaged it really well, and on the front it says, your makeup routine just got really uncomplicated, is what the box says. That's cute. Anyways, so you got these nice little, I guess they call these like worms or something, I don't know. Oh, everything's so packaged nicely. So the products are wrapped up in this nice tissue paper, and it says proceed with confidence. That's pretty cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So yeah, this is kind of nice that it's all wrapped up in this wrapping paper. Makes it seem really fancy. So I bought two products for them. I bought the contour and the blush duo, and then I bought the Good Lighting highlighter duo. So I'm going to try them both on my face today. That you might think I already have my makeup done, but I only have that half of it done. I have my base down, I have my eyeshadow and lipstick on, or my eyeshadow, you know, my eyes done. Alright, so I think I'm going to open up this one first. This is the contour and blush duo. I'll show you guys them, maybe do some swatches of them, and then I'll try them on my face. It's very nice packaging, very sleek. Alright, and then here's what the inside looks like. It does have a pretty nice sized mirror there, but I don't want to blind you guys. Then it has like this little kind of like slip of paper in there with a face on it. Just kind of telling you how to apply it, I guess. And then here's what the actual, there's what the actual product looks like. So this is, of course, the bronzer, contour, whatever you want to call it, and then here's the blush. And the shade names for this one is Power Player, and then this one is Pink Lips. So yeah, that looks very nice. I will go ahead and swatch it. So the top one is the bronzer, and then the bottom one is the blush. They feel pretty nice, and it seems pretty pigmented. I wouldn't say they're like overly pigmented, like I could build these up, which I kind of like products like that, so I don't feel like if I accidentally go in with a little too much, you know, sometimes some products are so pigmented that when you, even if you just, you know, just go in like you normally would, it can be too much, and then you have trouble kind of like blending it out or whatever. So, but they do feel pretty nice. Alright, and then for the highlighter palette, or not palette, I don't know what you call it, duo. This one's a cream to powder, I think. I don't know if this one's the same. No, this one's not. Alright, so same packaging as the blush and bronzer duo. And then there's what that one looks like. So this one is Lucid, and this one's Afterglow are the shade names. So I will swatch these as well. Not really sure what it means by cream to powder. They don't feel like cream to me, they feel like powder, but wow, those are super blinding. And those are very pigmented too. This one may be a smidge too dark for me, but I'll just have to see. All right, so I will kind of tell you how much these cost. Like I said, I did buy these myself. So the blush and contour duo, I'm gonna call it a bronzer, but they call it a contour. This was at $35, so they are more of the pricier side. And then the highlighter duo cost $30. But I mean, I don't know. I wanted to try out the new brand, so I didn't feel too bad spending the money, and they do feel pretty nice quality. Like I said, the packaging is really pretty, and so far, just from swatching it, they do seem like pretty nice products, so pretty excited to try them out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try them on now. Like I said, I don't have any bronzer, or I only have about half my makeup on. You'll have to excuse the blemishes. I had quite a few like little pimples. My face is not happy with me right now, but that's okay. All right, so I'm gonna try out the duo, the contour and blush duo. So yeah, pretty excited about this. Like I said, I think I had heard of this. I think I'd heard about Complex Culture's brushes. I think I've seen several of them in boxes and things, but I don't think I've ever gotten any of their stuff in boxes before. So for the contour or bronzer, I'm just going to call it bronzer. The bronzer's going on pretty nicely. Not having any issues at all. And it seems to be the right shade. Guess I could zoom you guys in. Like I said, so far it seems to be going on pretty nicely. So that went on pretty nice, pretty easy to blend out, not making me look muddy. So yeah, so far I'm really liking this product. So let me go ahead and try the blush out now. This blush shade looks really, really pretty. If you guys hear the noise in the background, my dog's snoring again. All right, here goes the blush. And again, this is in the shade Pink Slip. All right. It's very pretty. And it's like, it's building up, I can tell. I could go in with this blush pretty light-handed, or I could build it up. I prefer to build my blushes up. But if you just wanted like a light flush, you could definitely achieve that. Probably going too heavy-handed in with the blush, but I don't know. I like blush. Yeah, it's super pretty. I really like that. Probably looks a little more intense on camera, but in person it doesn't look that intense, I don't think. Maybe it does, I don't know. Alright, so now moving on to the highlighter. You guys know I love highlighter, so I'm pretty excited to try this one out. Alright, I don't think I'll be able to try out this one right yet. I don't know, I'll have to test it later. I think it may be a smidge too dark on me, so maybe during summer when I get more of a tan, I can get that one to work for me, but I know I can for sure get this one to work, so I'm going to go in with that one. So here we go. The moment of truth. Yes, this is nice. I didn't even go in with that much. It's definitely looking like one I can build up to. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Woo! Blinding. Dang, that is blinding. I love it. I am beaming now. And I'm loving it. That's gorgeous. Woo. And like I said, it's not taking that much to get it to show. So, I mean, this is a pretty good sized pan. So this is going to last me a really long time. I realized I put my lipstick on already, so I want to put it on my Cupid's bow, but I'm worried about picking up lipstick. Oh well. I'm going to go in with like a flat brush and put this like underneath my brow bone. Oh yeah. Definitely adds a very nice little shine. Put some in the corners of my eyes as well, just because why not? Oh yeah, that adds like a very nice inner corner eye highlighter. So yeah, dang, I'm pretty impressed. Especially with that highlighter. That is so pretty. So yeah, so far, so good. I don't know, guys. I'm pretty happy with the products. I think these are really good duos. Like I said, they are a bit on the pricier side, so... But they do feel like really luxurious. Like the packaging, I think, looks very nice and luxurious. And then, you know, just a little stamp in the... on the powder makes it look, I don't know, just makes it look very luxurious, and they feel really luxurious, and the quality is really good. So yeah, I think these are actually really great products, and I'm glad I went ahead and picked them up. Like I said, I had never tried anything from Complex Culture, so I'm pretty impressed so far. I'm excited to see what other products they have. They do have like, let me look. So I'm just looking at their website. So they have brushes, they have a lip balm, they have some tinted lip creams. They do have, it looks like an eyeshadow palette, so maybe I'll try that if you guys are interested in seeing a review on that. Yeah, it looks like they have a couple of eyeshadow palettes. They have brow gel, and they have the duos. They also have a setting powder. They have lip gloss. They have mascara. So it does look like they have a concealer as well. So yeah, this looks like there's quite a few goodies on there. So yeah, maybe next time I'll pick up an eyeshadow palette. Just have to wait and see. Just let me know down in the comments if you would be interested in seeing one of their eyeshadow palettes. I may do that. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys back out. But yeah, that is going to do it for today. That is my review. I'm really, really happy with the products. I'm glad to have picked them up. Thanks again, Miss Natalie Glam, for introducing me to these products. I saw these on your channel, and I just had to pick them up and try them out myself. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to let me know down in the comments what you thought of the products, and if you've tried these products yourself. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!